When we speak English, we need to pronounce the words properly. The words or the sentences, if spoken correctly, give a very good impression. Isn't it? What do you think? So today in this episode, we are going to see those English words every Indian mispronounces. There are many people who pronounce or who speak the following lists of words which we are going to deal today wrong. So you don't be one of them, you be better than them. You be a speaker who is excellent in speaking abilities. So let's begin. The first word of the day is this one. This is hotel. No. Mostly people call it as hotel. No, this is not pronounced as hotel. ये हिंदी वाला होटल नहीं है. This is called as hotel. Its pronunciation is hotel. H-O-H. Okay, hotel नहीं है. Its pronunciation is hotel. Right? The coming word is this is genre. This is not genre. It is called as genre. It is called as genre. There is a h sound or h sound associated with the z sound, the z sound. Okay, so it is called as genre. Right? Next, this word I have seen spoken wrong by most people. People say or students say it as subtle. No, its pronunciation is subtle. B is silent. This means delicate. Right? This one, what do you call as? Entrepreneur? No. This is called as entrepreneur. It is called as entrepreneur. Okay? Entrepreneur. Entrepreneur is the correct pronunciation of this word. Still many people speak this wrong. What do they say? Pizza. No. It is called as pizza. A little bit of t sound is there after pizza. There is a little bit of t sound. It is called as pizza. Right? You love pizza, isn't it? This is called as niche? No. What do you say? Niche. Yes. This is called as niche. This word, what is this called? This is called as ori? No. This is called as alright. Alright. Rai sound is there in the end. Rai. Alright. Right. This one. Suffice? Is it suffice? No. This is called as suffice. Two syllable sounds. Suffice. Followed by a little bit of tinge of H and fice. Suffice. This one. Paragym? No. This is called as paradigm. This is called as paradigm. Three syllable sound it is. Paradigm. This is called as paradigm. Three syllables refers to three different sounds. Okay. One syllable is one sound. So this word is pronounced as paradigm. Right? How is this word spoken? Isle? No. This is called as aisle. The pronunciation of this. Aisle. Last में L की sound है. ठीक है? Next word. What is this called? anus. This is called as onus. O. Little bit of H sound is there. Onus. Now next. What do we say? Indict? No. We say it as indict. इसको क्या बोलते हैं? We call it as indict. Right? What is this word called? Macabre? No. This has got 3 syllables. It is called macabre. This is called macabre. Macabre. 3 syllable sounds is there. Macabre. This word. Echelon? Is this echelon? No. This is called echelon. This is called as echelon. When I was a child, I also thought that this word is echelon. But gradually when I studied English deeply, then I came to know that the pronunciation of this word is echelon. Next word. Fervor. This is called as fervor. I think I have studied one very important rule. When the vowels are followed by R, R is not pronounced. As far my finding is. Like we say row, for. So for नहीं बोलते हैं. We speak for. We speak row. We don't say roar. ठीक है, we say row. This word. What is this? This is abhor. There is no B pronounced here. It is called as aho. It means hate someone. Aho. So the rule is when the vowels are followed by R is never pronounced. ठीक है? Any kind of vowel when is followed by R, जब उसके बाद R आता है तो हम उस R को नहीं बोलते हैं. ठीक है? This one. Liaison. This is called as liaison. No, this is called as liaison. Okay, lie, L-E-A, for stands for lie, and A-Y has a second sound and zan is a third sound. So it has got 3 syllables. This poor sound which is bad for the ears. This is called as cacophony. No, my dear, this is not cacophony. This is called as cacophony. English ऐसी ही है, बिल्कुल different, बिल्कुल fascinating, special. This is hierarchy. No, this is called as hierarchy. Most of the time I have seen people saying that hierarchy. No, it is not hierarchy. But the correct pronunciation is hierarchy. 2 R are there in between. So the correct pronunciation is hierarchy, not hierarchy. Okay? And the last word for today is this one. इसका pronunciation generally mostly common pronunciation found in India is penchant, but इसका actual pronunciation है penchant. Okay, it means inclination, liking. ठीक है? Actually what happens is, since words have been borrowed from different languages, so they have different pronunciation. They are not exactly English words. Some words have been borrowed from Latin, some words have been borrowed from Greek, and that is why they have got this different pronunciation. ठीक है? So I hope you learn these 20 words with so interesting pronunciation and be well versed in English and keep learning with Uncle. Bye.